friends, so here in this problem, sin theta is given as 3 upon 5, where theta lies between pi by 2 to pi. It means it lies in second quadrant, and we have to find the value of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, and in the end we have to state the quadrant of angle 2 theta. So now how to get the value of these 4 questions? So let's start with the first 3 questions, which is sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. So guys, here to find out the value of these 3 quantities, we have been given the value of sin theta. So it is very much sure that if we want to find out the value of these 3 quantities, then we have to use the formula which has sin theta term, so that in that formula we can substitute sin theta as 3 by 5 and we can get our answer. So what is the formula for sin 2 theta which has sin theta in it? So yes, you are right that sin 2 theta, we have one formula here. I will write that sin of 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. This is the formula which has the term sin theta. But guys, if you will observe carefully, we have one more term, that is cos of theta, and we don't know the value of cos theta. So what we will do is, here we will first of all find out the value of cos theta from sin theta, and then by using this formula we can get the value of sin 2 theta. So let's start. So now to get that value, here I will say, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which is the identity, and therefore we can say that cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So this will become 1 minus, what is value of sin theta? It is 3 by 5 the whole square. Now, so this will become 1 minus 9 upon 25, and which is nothing but 25 minus 9 upon 25, which is 16 upon 25. So this is the value of cos square theta that we got. So here I will say, taking square root on both sides, so we will get, therefore cos of theta is equal to plus and minus 4 by 5. So it means we are getting 2 values of cos theta, that is positive 4 by 5 and negative 4 by 5. But guys, which value we should accept? So it will be decided based on the theta. So here theta lies in second quadrant, and here I will draw that in second quadrant we say that sine and cosec are positive. So in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive. It means we are finding cos theta. So cos will be negative in the second quadrant. So therefore we will accept the negative value of cos theta. So here I will say, since theta lies in second quadrant, cos of theta is negative, and therefore here we will accept the value of cos theta as negative 4 by 5. So we got the value of cos theta, we have sin theta. Now let's find out sin 2 theta by using this formula. So on next page I will say, therefore sin of 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos of theta, which is equal to 2. The value of sin theta and cos theta is 3 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 respectively. So here I will say 3 upon 5 and minus 4 upon 5. So this will give us 2 into 3, that is 6, and 6 into minus 4, that is minus 24, upon 5 into 5, that is 25. So we get the value of sin of 2 theta as minus 24 upon 25. Now here we got the first value. Now let's find out the second value, that is cos 2 theta. Now guys, which formula we should use to get the value of cos 2 theta? So we will use such formula which has sin theta term or cos theta term. So we know the identity that cos of 2 theta, this was the first one, so this is second. So cos of 2 theta, here I will say, is equal to 2 times cos square theta minus 1. So this is the identity that we have. So this will become 2 times. Now the value of cos theta is minus 4 by 5. So this will become minus 4 by 5 the whole square minus 1. So this is nothing but 2 into 16 upon 25 minus 1, which is 32 upon 25 minus 1, and this will give us 32 minus 25 upon 25, and which is 7 upon 25. So this is the value of cos of 2 theta. So we got the second value as well. Now let's find out the value of tan 2 theta by using the values of sin theta and cos theta. So what is the formula for tan 2 theta? So we know one formula of tan 2 theta, but it has tan theta term. So tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and for that we have to find out the value of tan theta. So let's find it out. So for tan theta I will divide the sin theta with cos theta. So here I will say the third proof, that is tan theta, which is sin theta by cos theta, and the value of sin theta is 3 upon 5, value of cos theta is minus 4 upon 5, 5 cancelled, we will get minus 3 by 4, and we will use this value to get the value of tan of 2 theta, which is our question. So tan of 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So this is 2 times tan theta is minus 3 upon 4 whole upon 1 minus 3 upon 4 the whole square. So this will give us minus 6 upon 4 whole upon 1 minus 9 by 16. So this is minus 3 by 2, and here we will get 16 minus 9, that is 7 upon 16. So by solving this, here we will get minus 3 by 2, divide will become multiply, and 7 by 16 will become 16 upon 7. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, and 8 3s are 24. So minus 24 by 7. So this is the value of tan of 2 theta. So guys, we got 3 values, that is of sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. Now the last question, that is we have to state the quadrant of angle 2 theta. So for that we have to observe the trigonometric functions of 2 theta. So if you will see, for 2 theta the sine is negative, next cos is positive, and then tan is negative. So let's forget the negative part, let's concentrate on the positive part. So here I will draw the things. So let's say there are 4 quadrants. So when cos is positive, so if I talk about the 2 theta, then cos is positive in the 4th quadrant and cos is positive in the 1st quadrant. It means this angle 2 theta must be in 4th quadrant or 1st quadrant, but it will be in the 1 quadrant only. So what is the quadrant, 1st or 4th? And for that we will take help of sine and tan. So in 1st quadrant we know that all trigonometric functions are positive. It means if this cos of 2 theta or this angle 2 theta is in 1st quadrant, then it should give us sine 2 theta positive and tan 2 theta positive, but it is giving us the negative value for sine and tan. It means the number has to be in the 4th quadrant, because in 4th quadrant the cos of that angle is positive, whereas the sine and tan of the same angle is negative, and here we have the same pattern. So here I will say that our angle lies in 4th quadrant. Thank you.